How to add payment method on Gate.io. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to add payment method on your Gate.io account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Gate.io website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here, I'm on my Gate.io dashboard, and right here on the left, you will see a lot of options. Right here, as you can see, there will be a profile, identification, security settings, voucher, friendship, etc., etc. And as you can see, there will be a payment settings also. So you can just click that. This is where we need to go. And after you click that, you will be redirected to this page. And as you can see, all of your payment methods will appear right here. And if you don't have, you can just click add payment button right here on the right side, and after you click that, as you can see, this window will pop up, and right here you need to choose your fiat currency, and if your country currency is available, you can choose that. And as you can see, there will also be a USD if you want, but I will use my local country currency, Philippine peso, so I'm going to use it. And as you can see right here in the payment methods, it will show me a bunch of payment channels that is available in my country. And keep in mind that each fiat currency have their own different style of payment method. As you can see, if I go to another fiat currency, the payment methods will be different, and yeah, and as well as in on the other currency, it will be also different. And yeah, that's it. So for example, I'm just going to use my local fiat currency, Philippine peso, and I'm just going to choose one of the payment methods that is available in my country. And yeah, that's it. So after you choose a payment method, you just need to input the required information in order to add your payment channel or payment method. And yeah, that's it. So you can just click next and verify your payment method, and that's it. You already add your payment method, and that's how you add payment methods on Gate.io. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.